How to disconnect your Instagram account from Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can disconnect your Facebook and Instagram if they are linked to each other. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, you want to make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version as well as also the Facebook app as well. Head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram or Facebook, and if there is an update button there, simply tap on it in order to update it to the latest version. Once you have updated both of these applications, I'm going to show you the accounts which are connected. For example, let me just go ahead and open the Instagram app, and from the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you want to simply tap on your profile picture. Once you tap on the profile picture and go to your profile page, on the very top right hand side, you can see those three little horizontal lines. All you have to do is tap on the three horizontal lines. As soon as you do that, at the bottom of the screen, you'll find the option in this gear icon which says settings. So all you have to do is basically tap on the settings option. As you tap on settings, you have to look to the bottom of the screen and you'll find this option called Meta, as well as the blue button which says Account Center. Now this is basically our Facebook's Account Center. What you have to do is simply tap on the button which says Account Center. And as you do that, at the very top you can see the option called Profiles. And if I tap on it, as you tap on Profiles, you can see that my Facebook and Instagram are currently linked with each other. If I tap on it, you can see we don't have the option to remove it from here. So basically what you have to do is, in order to disconnect your Facebook from Instagram, we're going to come back from this option and exit out of it. Once you come back to the Account Center tab again, at the very bottom you can see this little option which says Account Settings, and under it you can find the option which says Account. So all you have to do in order to disconnect our Facebook page or Facebook account from our Instagram is to simply tap on the Accounts option. As soon as you do that, if you want to add other accounts, by the way, before that you can tap on the Add Account button at the very top. However, let's say that you want to remove a certain profile out of these accounts. So what you have to do is, you can see I have currently added 3 accounts to this Instagram account, and if you want to disconnect one of those, on the very right hand side you can see this little button which says remove in this rectangular icon. So all you have to do is tap on the remove button. As you tap on remove, you can see it will ask you for a confirmation. Do you want to remove this account from your account center? You could go ahead and read all of this briefly, but then if you want to continue it, at the bottom go ahead and confirm the changes by tapping on continue. And you can see it says me remove, so tap on the remove option again. If you want to remove other accounts, go ahead and repeat similar process for all of these accounts. So tap on remove, then tap on continue again, and at the bottom tap on remove that certain user. If you want to remove the remaining as well, you could go ahead and simply do that as well. And this is how you can very easily disconnect your Facebook and Instagram if they are linked to each other. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.